To set fees on Axiom, you first need an Axiom Pearl account. Once you have an account, you can begin setting your fees by clicking on the Preset 1 option located at the bottom left. This section allows you to customize presets, including slippage, priority, and bribe fees, for 3 different presets. For example, you can start with Preset 1 and adjust the buy settings. Set your slippage to a desired percentage, such as 25, and then set your priority and bribe fees. For instance, 0.002 for both. You also have the option to set your sell settings in a similar manner. After making your adjustments, you can save your changes and they will be applied automatically. You can also set up presets 2 and 3 if needed. When you're ready to use these presets, simply select a specific coin and choose the desired preset from the options below the Buy button, where you'll see the corresponding slippage, priority, and bribe fees for each preset. This process allows you to easily customize and manage your fees on Axiom.